Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Universe. Today I continue my series of video about data science course, especially data type and data structure. In this part number 4, I try to teach you another important non-primitive data structure, especially pattern dictionaries. Welcome to my channel, and I start now this important tutorial. Data structures are a way of organizing and storing data so that they can be accessed and worked with efficiently. They define the relationship between the data and the operations that can be performed on the data. There are many various types of data structures defined that make it easy for the data scientists and the computer engineers to concentrate on the main picture of solving larger problems rather than getting lost in the details of data description and access. So generally, the data structures can be divided in two categories in computer science. Primitive data, example of primitive data is integer, float, string, boolean. And non-primitive data structures. The former are the simplest forms of representing data, whereas the latter are more advanced. They contain the primitive data structures with more complex data structures for special purpose. In this series of videos, I start by teaching you what is the first non-primitive data. It's about array. The second video is about lists. The third video is about tuples. Today I try to teach you a new non-primitive important data, structured data or data structure. This video is about dictionary. Python dictionary is an important collection data. This collection is unordered and changeable. Changeable means that we can change values after creating. Python dictionary is also indexed. That means we can access value by using their index. Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets. Remember that with lists. We create lists by using square brackets, and we create tuples by using round brackets, but Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets. Python dictionaries have keys and values. Now let's start by give you an example how you can create a Python dictionary. So if you want to create Python dictionary, you start by giving a name. For example, the name of my dictionary is students. After, you need to create two curly brackets. So this is my curly brackets. After, you need to create your keys. For example, my first key is name of students. And my second key is, for example, birth year. I put just year. So here I have two keys. And now I give some values. For example, the first value is Peter. The first value of my key is Peter. And the year, for example, this is an example of birth year. So this is my dictionary. So here I forget a comma here. So, and in the last value we don't need a comma. So now this is an example of Python dictionary. This is, so if you want to create a dictionary, you need to create curly brackets. You need to create your case. For example, you can have many case, name, year, city, country. It depends to your data, and after you can put your values. So, and between case and the other, you need to put a comma. Now, if you want to print your dictionary, you can use the traditional function print. So, print student. Student is the name of my dictionary. So now I try to test this example. This is now my first dictionary. Now you can use many functions and many techniques to use dictionary in your program or in your application. So we can start now by printing the length of our dictionary. If so, you can use the traditional function length. So print to print the length of my dictionary, I use the function len. So len students. Students is the name of my dictionary. So I test this line. So the length is 2 because I have just 2 keys or 2 values. Now you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside or by using square brackets. So for example, I put here, for example, my name, this is a value equal to students between 2 square brackets, and here I put the key of the name. The key of the name here is name. So if I print now this value, so I use print to test this line, print my name. So the name is Peter, or the value of this key is Peter. So if you can access the item of a dictionary just by referring to its key name. Now I can also use another or an important method called get that will give you the same results. For example, I can use, for example, my name, my second name, for example, just to change the value. My second name equal to. So here I use the name of the dictionary, student, dot the function get. Here there are many functions or many methods, so I use gets between round brackets, and I put the name of my key. So here the name is name. Now if I print my second name, it gives the same result. So I try to test this line. So here this is my is not defined. My here my excuse me this mistake. So I now when I print the second name, so the same result Peter. So I can access the item by two techniques or by two methods. I can use square brackets and I put the k, or by using an important method get, or the method get, and I put here the name or the k. So there are two methods if you want to access the items. Now also you can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. For example, here I want to give or to change the value of year, so I use for example my new value, my new year value, my new year value, my new value equal to student between or just without just student between two brackets, and I put here the k of the year, birth year, equal, and I put my new value, for example 2000. My new value is 2000, so I need to change this value by 2000. Now I forget here to. So now I can print student year. When I print my student year, so remember that dictionary is changeable, so I can change value. Now when I print, it gives me the new value. Now I changed year value. So now we can also print all key names in the dictionary one by one. So to do that, if you want to print all key names in the dictionary one by one, I use a loop for example n in student print for n, or for because I want to print keys, key print key. So now I can use this loop to print just or all key names in my dictionary. So I try to test that. So my case is name, and this is the first key, and year is the second year. So now if you want to print just all values in your dictionary, you can use the same, but by using other techniques. So I use now, if you want this loop print just case, now if I want to print values, donc v or key in student, I use I use the same techniques, or I use this line the same. So print student, and I put here between two square brackets the value of my k. So here now I can print all values in my dictionary. So the first print all k's and the second loop print all values. So now I try to test. So this is the first loop give me the name and year, and the second print our values. Now you can also loop out both keys and values by using the items method. So if you want to print both keys and value, I can use this loop. So for k and v in students. Now I want to print both key and value, keys and values. In students dot, I use another function. The function is items. So, excuse me, items. And I print between key, comma. So now I can print keys and value, both keys and values. So now I try to test this. So here the name is Peter and the year is 2000. So the first print just the keys, the second print the values, and the third print keys and values. So here we use the three important function or two important function, the function get and the function items. So, you can add the others or other key. So if you want to add an item to your dictionary, you can use a new index key and assessing a value. For example, here I have just two keys. So the first key is the name and the second key is year. Now, if for example, if I want to add the country, I use this country. So students, for example, donc students, and I put between two square brackets the name of my key. For example, the name here is country, and I use value. For example, the country of Peter is USA. Now, when I print my new dictionary, I try to test that. So here, the first key and the first value name Peter, the year 2000, and my new key and my new value, my new key is country and my new value is USA. Now you can also remove the item with the specified key name. For example, if you want to delete this new key, you can use in the function pop. The function pop help you to remove keys of your dictionary. So I use, for example, the name of my dictionary, student, dot pop, and I put between round square the name of the key. Now I want to delete or remove country, so here I put the name of country. This function remove a key of my dictionary. So now when I print my new dictionary here, when I print my new dictionary, I can't find so here just Peter, just the key name and the key year, because I remove the child key country. So you can add a new item by using this line, and you can remove any key by using the function pop. A dictionary can also contain many dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries. You can create a dictionary that contains many dictionaries. For example, here in this example, I create a dictionary that contains 3 dictionaries. So this is my first dictionary, the second dictionary, and the child dictionary. This is my first student, second, and child. So I have here 3 dictionary, and I put these 3 dictionary in one dictionary. The name of my new dictionary is student data. So student data is a new dictionary that contains 3 dictionary. So when I print here, for example, my new dictionary, I can here, for example, see my 3 dictionary. This is my first dictionary, this is my second, and this is the child dictionary. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionaries. For example, you can use the function or the method clear to remove all the elements from the dictionary. Copy returns a copy of a dictionary. From case returns a dictionary with the specified case and value. The function get, I give you an example how you can use this function, returns the value of the specific key. Items returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Case returns a list containing the dictionary's case. The function pop removes the element which the specified key. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. And the other function set default returns the value of the specified key if the key does not exist. Also, you can use the function update, updates the dictionary with the specific key value. So thank you for watching this video about other important non-primitive data. In the next video, part number 5, I try to teach you another important non-primitive data structure. The next video is about Python file. Don't forget to comment, to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.